Are you looking for the best security camera? In this video we will look at some of the 6 best security camera on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. Arlo Pro for Spotlight Camera. See a bigger picture. The security camera has a wide 160 degrees diagonal viewing angle lens for auto image correction and reduction of the fisheye effect to make this surveillance camera ideal for protecting medium to larger spaces. Capture clearer details. The wireless outdoor security cameras with advanced video quality that records in clear 2K HDR footage to let you see clearer details and zoom in on moving objects with clarity. Light up the night, ward off unwelcome guests with the outdoor camera using the integrated spotlight. See features like faces or license plates in full color, even at night, with color night vision. Easy wire-free setup. Wireless camera with fast setup that requires no hub or wiring. Its Wi-Fi camera capability allows the home security system to connect directly to Wi-Fi for a quick setup. Smarter alerts, quicker action. With an Arlo Secure plan, receive smarter notifications for people, vehicles, packages, and animals so you can react quickly, right from your phone's lock screen. Respond quickly to notifications. Make this wireless outdoor security camera your front door camera to hear and speak to visitors at your door with clear, two-way audio. Coverage from every corner. This home security camera's wire-free setup delivers increased installation flexibility to get the perfect view from your surveillance and security cameras. Brave the elements. The weather-resistant security camera is certified to withstand heat, cold, rain or sun. Works seamlessly with your smart home. Receive alerts and manage your home security through Amazon Alexa, Google Home, Apple HomeKit, and Samsung SmartThings. Arlo Secure includes a trial of Arlo Secure for 24/7 professional monitoring, 30-day cloud recording, advanced object detection, rich notifications, smart activity zones, and more. Number 2. Nest Cam Battery Wireless Security Camera. The battery-powered Nest Cam by Google is an elegant, versatile, and smart Wi-Fi security camera that can recognize faces and alert you if there's a stranger in your home. It can also detect animals and vehicles, though you must sign up for a Nest Aware plan, starting at $6 per month, to make the most of its capabilities and access facial recognition. The water-resistant camera is super easy to set up. Its daytime and nighttime video quality are excellent, though we wish the resolution were higher than Full HD. You can snag an outdoor-ready version of the product with a built-in floodlight, too. A cheaper, indoor-friendly Nest security cam with a wired-only setup is also available. Understated and versatile design. Solid video quality. Face recognition capabilities. Video resolution, Full HD. Smart home integration, Google Assistant. Other, IP54 water-resistant, wireless camera modules. Number 3. Wyze Campaign V3 Home Security Camera. The budget-friendly Wyze Campaign V3 delivers everything you'd expect from a high-quality home security camera for less than $40. It has a versatile pan and tilt setup, allowing it to cover larger indoor or outdoor spaces, while its stand also doubles as a wall mount. The product also has a cool, decidedly high-tech design, a weatherproof build, and solid video quality, regardless of the lighting. Impressively, the camera can begin following objects upon detecting motion and even alert you about noises. It can store unlimited video clips on a micro SD card. The super affordable, less than $2 per month, Cam Plus subscription brings additional features like unlimited cloud storage and pet, package, and person detection, among many others. Beautiful and versatile design. Stellar video quality. Affordable subscription plan. Video resolution, Full HD. Smart home integration, Alexa, Google Assistant. Other, IP65 water resistant, micro SD card slot. Number 4. Eufy Security, eufyCam 2C Pro 2Cam Kit. Anker's eufyCam 2C Pro home security system is a value-packed option for larger homes, whose retail package includes a duo of battery-powered camera units. Better yet, the product doesn't require a monthly subscription, it stores recordings locally. The camera modules of the 2C Pro have a waterproof build, a 6-month battery life, a built-in spotlight, and infrared night vision. The product can differentiate humans from animals and objects, significantly reducing the number of unnecessary notifications. We only wish that the spotlight could be activated by motion. Versatile camera modules. Great video quality. Doesn't require a monthly subscription. Video resolution, 2K. Smart home integration, Alexa, Apple HomeKit. Other, IP67 waterproof, wireless camera modules with integrated spotlight. Number 5. Logitech Circle View Weatherproof Wired Home Security Camera. Get security you can trust with the Circle View HomeKit-enabled home security camera. Stay informed and feel secure with best-in-class Logitech TrueView video featuring full 1080p HD, 180 degrees field of view, wide dynamic range, and enhanced infrared night vision up to 15 feet away. Designed with a weatherproof body that can brave the elements, indoors or out. Need instant privacy at a moment's notice? Simply tilt the camera down to hide from view, or press the cutoff button to immediately stop streaming and recording. Apple HomeKit Secure Video provides complete control over Circle View through the Home app, with customizable recording schedules and end-to-end video encryption. The sleek, compact, and versatile, its metal stand doubles as a wall-mount, Circle View wired camera by Logitech is the best for users of Apple devices. You can set up and control the accessory from an iPhone, iPad, or Mac device, without the need to install any additional apps. Logitech has equipped the device with a high-quality sensor with glass optics and a 180-degree field of view. The product can stream video with excellent quality, both day and night. While testing it, I also liked that it automatically activated itself each time I left home. Number 6. HomeHawk Window Home Security Camera. Panasonic's HomeHawk Security Camera is the best for outdoor monitoring, example, driveway, porch, first-floor apartment, etc. The product is designed to mount on the interior side of a window via a suction cup. Its sensor has an ultra-wide field of view and the ability to record daytime and low-light video with stellar quality. The accessory will notify you when it detects a person and begin recording before sending the motion alert. You can conveniently set detection areas via its companion app to avoid false alarms. The clips will be stored locally on a microSD card, so you don't need to pay for a subscription service. Solid video quality. Easy installation. Doesn't require a subscription. Video resolution, Full HD. Smart home integration, Alexa, Google Assistant. Other, wired setup, microSD card slot.